vibration. With me is HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and select sounds and vibration. Then select vibration over here if you wish to mute your device completely and leave only vibrations. After that, scroll down, choose phone ringtone. Select vibration and pick one of those vibration patterns for your incoming calls by tapping on the best one for you and going back. You can do that to SIM 1 and SIM 2. After that, go back, scroll down and choose more settings. Then click on the switcher next to vibrate when ring. This way you can switch on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. You can also click on the switcher next to system haptics to enable or disable vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!